supposed to be flying to Las Vegas right now, but we are delayed by several hours. So we're just trying to pass the time right now by doing work, playing Dr. Mario, and making reservations for lunch tomorrow. So we just made it on the plane after a 5-hour delay. We were waiting a long time, got food and snacks. But we're ready to go to Las Vegas now for an amazing trip. It's gonna be great. We're ready to go, take off, and have fun.
I'm so tired. We worked all day, but we're ready.
Yeah, we did work all day. So it's Tuesday, and we're flying for the Thanksgiving break. So it should be a great time. Lots of gambling, blackjack, roulette. I know you're big into craps and slots. That's not true. She plays all the time. She's teaching me all the secrets, so I'm gonna come back from Las Vegas with a grip.
Oh, you're gonna learn on.
That's true. What's going on, guys? It's Louis Gusto, and I bet you've been wondering, man, I thought this was a travel channel. Louis is never traveling, he's always in Chicago. Well, I got you, because now I'm in Las Vegas, Nevada, over the Thanksgiving holiday. As you can see, we're in the beautiful sign, the historic sign, but I'm on the other side because you know what? There's just way too many people over there, and I was getting impatient, and I just want to get some footage, just chatting with you guys and give you an intro to this dope video. And right now I'm just chilling, and I got some great videos for you coming. And now I'm on the other side of the sign, so it doesn't look as nice from this side, but it's still kind of cool. In any case, keep watching, stay tuned. Gonna have some great footage for you. All right, we're in the Forum Shops of Caesar's Palace. It's really, really dope. I love the decorations. I don't know if they celebrated Christmas in ancient Rome. I'll have to check my history books on that one. But if they did, then we're in the right spot because it looks really festive in here. There's a lot more to do in Las Vegas than just gamble. I am a big gambler, but there's also lots of entertainment and lots of shows. And before I got here, I watched a cool documentary on Las Vegas because I wanted to try to give you guys some interesting information. Well, Las Vegas started off as a watering stop on a railroad from Salt Lake City to Los Angeles, which I thought was kind of interesting. And the first saloons and I guess houses of gambling opened up because a lot of workers moved here to help build the Hoover Dam in the 1930s around the Great Depression time. And from the beginning, all of those establishments had a theme, which was Old West. So from the beginning, Las Vegas was big into themes, and that only grew with places like Caesar's Palace, the Venetian, Luxor, all have their individual theme. And it's really fun to just walk around, even if you're not gonna play the slots. I mean, you can if you do, I mean, you should. I just won like $10,000. So that's why I'm really happy talking to you guys here right now, because I'm about to go on a shopping spree in the Venetian shops, which is just around the corner. And so yeah, so we're here for a few days. We're gonna check out some other things while we're in town. Not just the strip, but also some of the historic stuff and some of the natural formations that they have here. And my girlfriend's kind of right here looking at her phone, and so I know she's having a blast. So we're gonna keep moving and keep walking, and that's all I got for you right now. So we're on the Mouse's Tank Trail, which is a little under a mile, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's not too hard of a hike, but the terrain does kind of switch from soft to muddy. There's a little bit of water because it did rain yesterday, which was Thanksgiving. Give thanks, by the way. And there are a lot of rocks and very cool sandstone red formations. Red sandstone. So this is our third day in Las Vegas over the Thanksgiving holiday. Yesterday was Thanksgiving and it was incredible. So much food, great desserts, and an awesome mahjong tournament, which I had never played in my life. Fortunately, I didn't make it out of the first round, but that's okay. I still had a lot of fun. And today was a change of pace, you would say. When you come to Las Vegas, you don't really think about this, but it's definitely something I wanted to do, knowing that this area of the United States is known for its natural beauty. So that's why we're here. And we take off tonight back to Chicago. So, you know, bye-bye for now, Las Vegas. But it's been fun, and we still got the rest of the day. So who knows what other adventures we'll have.